Let's assume you're developing a research assistant as an AI agent, and you want to understand its quality and capabilities. In theory, you can assess this manually by interacting with the agent. In practice, however, this approach is not scalable. What you would want to do as a domain expert is formulate all of your expectations as individual behaviors and assign relevant metrics to them. You would also want to upload pre-existing business knowledge and connect relevant knowledge sources, all for generating the right tests for your assessment. Once you created the right tests, you want to group them into test sets by category or topic and execute them against your project. I've already done this ahead of time, so we can now look at the test results. In this case, we see 6 out of 6 tests have passed successfully. Let's look at one test case in detail. We see the test result, the goal, the instructions, and the restrictions for the test that were provided. We can also see the full conversation that was recorded during the simulation. We can look at the metrics and the individual criteria breakdown. Plus, we can override the automated review result. In fact, this is failed for reason X and Y. This created a status conflict, and now we need to resolve the issue by creating relevant tasks or leaving comments. We can also look at the previous execution history to see when this test the first time failed. If we need more details, we can jump right into the traces and analyze individual executions. This is the point where we realize that we are not interacting with one agent, but actually a set of different agents used for different purposes, and we can replay the interaction of those agents with one another. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please be in touch.